that little one. So washing a cat, you need a jug of water that's hand hot, so it needs to feel warm to the touch, because cat's skin temperature is higher than ours, so it needs to be warmer than lukewarm. They don't like it lukewarm, and that then means that when they get wetted they're not feeling cold and they're more likely to tolerate it. This water's also had a little drop of cat shampoo into it, just a tiny squirt, to get the foaming going, so that we use that foam to break the oils on the cat's coat, particularly where these red bits are, which is the saliva and the pollen. It makes it quite water repellent, and those are the areas that really need washing off. Do you want to look at a happy cat looking at its mother? There's my girl. So, turn the cat around. Cats like to go away from you, so if you let them think that they have an escape route and then stop the escape route, that works quite well. This cat's been washed a number of times. You would think you could never wash the same cat twice. You can see how repellent the hair is. It's really not, it's not wetting it unless I kind of encourage it. There's a girl. I know, sweetheart. And the tail. I know. Oh, there we go. There's my girl. I know, sweetie. And see, there's really not very much cat here. Oh, yes, but the queen of everywhere. I know, sweetie. There's a girl. Then we tuck her down. There we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes, darling. You can see why you need a rubber mat with draining underneath, so that the cat's not actually sitting in water, and it makes it much easier to wash without her trying to get away. So now a little bit of shampoo. There's my girl. Oh, and I can feel it's crunchy. It's not something you can show on video, but I can feel a crunchiness. And that's all the pollen and dust and Sydney muck. There's a girl. Wash that beautiful tail. Okay.